This is the true tale of Hazumi, a young woman in Japan who boarded a train one night and never came back. It was past midnight. She messaged her friends. The train skipped every usual stop. She finally arrived, but the station sign read Kisaragi, a place that didn't exist on any map. Her messages became frantic. She heard footsteps, drums in the distance, then silence. She texted, "There's someone coming toward me. I'm hiding." That was the last message Hasumi ever sent. No one found her, but some say, if you fall asleep on the train, you might wake up in Kisaragi Station too.